I could go back and do it all over again. These are the 4 steps that I would focus on. Step 1 is to use video editing software that you like, not that everybody else is using. Back when I started, it was really popular to use Premiere, and I started on Final Cut Pro, or like iMovie. I think the first time I edited a video was on iMovie, and then I switched to Final Cut Pro a little bit later. I think what people love about Final Cut Pro is it's really stable, it's affordable, and it kind of can grow with you. Like anybody can start using Final Cut Pro and learn it pretty easily. If you don't know which software to pick, I made a video a few months ago that kind of helps you pick which software is best for you depending on your skill level. Step 2 is about studying to develop your own style, because at first it's really natural to just take what you're seeing and try to recreate that because you're learning, but eventually your own style emerges from just doing things your own way. You want to be able to know how to get there faster, to get your unique style, because honestly, unique editing really sticks out on YouTube. This can actually be like a really fun step because you literally just get to watch your favorite YouTube channels, not even in your niche, like just watch anything that entertains you and write down the elements, or at least take note of what captures you, what you like about the editing. Is it the fast pace? Is it the humor? Is it the music? So understanding what you're drawn to is gonna help you develop your own editing style, and having a unique editing style will set you apart from other channels and other editors. Step 3 is to make sure you're using good pre-licensed, operative word there, music. Music is a hugely important part of your edits because, as you'll know, editing is sort of about rhythm and pacing, and so music obviously adds a lot of rhythm and pacing. If you want to start out for free, use the audio library on YouTube, and if you want paid services down the road, you can use things like Artlist, MusicBed, Epidemic Sound. But yeah, prioritize good music, and don't believe when a YouTube video says like copyright free music, you can use this, because it's usually not true. Now the last step, you want to make sure you have a good pitch, price, and portfolio. It's pretty simple. So your demo reel or your portfolio is kind of like your calling card. Mine just kind of sits on my website. It doesn't have to be long. I would say anything from 1 to 2 minutes can usually showcase all of your skills. You don't need this thing to be 10 minutes long. I've gotten most of my clients literally from Instagram DMs and email, and then just reaching out to them after I've really resonated with their content on YouTube and thought like, oh, I could definitely add something to their channel. That's usually the thought that goes through my mind before I reach out to somebody. So that's another tip. Don't reach out to everyone. Reach out to only the channels and the people that you really resonate with. For your pitch, it really only has to be 15 seconds. It has to be a couple sentences in the DMs. I don't know, a paragraph or 2 in email. Like brevity is very favored. These types of videos are meant to kind of reduce the resistance that maybe you have to creating or to just kind of jumping in. I wish I wouldn't have had so much doubt at the beginning, and I just wish I would have had more confidence to just keep trying, because it's so much trial and error. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. I make videos like this on video editing, Final Cut Pro, storytelling, YouTube. If you like these types of videos, subscribe, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks in my next video.